What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to get unlimited money in Schedule 1. So what we are going to do, we are going to install a mod into our game to get unlimited money in game. So it will be very easy to buy properties, businesses and much more. So what we will do, we will head over to the mod site and I will show you every detail to install this mod and use it in game. So what you have to do is basically download the Melon Loader and install it into your game, and that is very easy. You will go to the link in the description and I will show you guys exactly what to do. So we will scroll a little bit down and there you will find the requirements. So make sure your Microsoft Visual C is updated with the latest version as shown in the requirements. Once you have done that, you can download the Melon Loader into your files. So download the Melon Loader and currently it's being downloaded. Now for the next step we will need to close our game. So I will close the game for now and then we will show you exactly what steps to do to proceed with loads of cash. So quit the game, and once you have closed the game you can go to your files and search for the Melon Loader installer. What we need to do is basically just click on this extension, and once you have done that, this screen will be opened. As you can see, I have already installed the Melon Loader into my game. But if it's not showing up in this list, your game, then you can add the game manually very easily. Since this is a Steam game, you can find the game location very easy. What they ask you now is basically to select the game in your game files. So what we will have to do is open our Steam account and then right click on your game, manage, and then go to browse local files. Select that, and what you can do now is basically just copy the path in this screen and go to the Melon Loader and basically paste the path in here. Now select the Schedule 1 game, of course, and the only thing we have to do now is select the exe file, and that is this file. So select this file and open it, and as you can see my game is already listed, but if it was not here then it is added now into your list. So once you have done that, select the game, and now you have to enable nightly builds. So it will be the latest version of the game which is loaded into the Melon Loader extension. As you can see, I can reinstall it, but probably when you are installing it for the first time it will say install. Just press install and it will be installed. Then just press the X, and once you have done that, then you can open your game and run the game with the Melon Loader activated. But before we proceed, we would like to download the mod to get unlimited money. So what we will do, we will go to the other link in the description where you can find the CDXX trainer, and what we need to do is just search for CDXX, and as you can see there will be some mods loading up and we are going to choose this one. You can choose this one and just go to the page, and as you can see it is a safe download. So probably it will give an error when you are downloading it, but just accept it and download it. Now you can click download manually, and once you have done that it will show that we need to have Melon Loader installed into our game files as an additional file. So yeah, we just installed that, so that is right. We can click download, and now you can click slow download and it will be downloaded in a couple of seconds. Since you have already opened your game files, it is very easy to do. I will show you one more time. Just go to the game, right click on it, and then manage and browse local files, and you will be shown the game files. Now the next step is basically go to the mods folder, which is created while downloading and installing Melon Loader. And what we need to do now is open a new screen, and you will go to your downloads where the mod is. And as you can see, we have installed this zip folder. This is the zip folder of the mod. So what you need to do is click on it, extract all, and then this will show up, and just extract it into your downloads. Replace the file in the destination, and as you can see now the mod is opened, the DLL file. So select this file, just copy it and go to the files of your game and there we will paste this mod into this folder. Once you have done that, you can X everything out, so you can click everything away, and then we are able to open our game. So that is the next step. Just click on play. Once you have clicked on play, there will be a pop-up of Melon Loader, which is going to run and install all the files of the mods into your game. So don't worry about that, just wait a few seconds till this process is finished, and as you can see, it is now loading up the mods into our game. The next step is to wait till the game is started. As you can see, my game is already started up, so I will continue to my profile and then load into the game. Once you are loaded into the game, then the process is very simple. Just click on the M on your keyboard and you will opening your phone. Go to messages and there you will find CDXX. So once you are there, click on it, then go to player management, select your profile, and once you have done that, you can give yourself cash, XP and much more. So we will give ourselves some cash. Let's say we would like to have 20,000 in cash, and then just enter and you have received 20,000 in cash extra. So that is how you get unlimited money and XP in Schedule 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!